Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hop swipe on Instagram, right? So first of all we will go into the Play Store and here we will search Instagram, and after searching here we have to update this app, right? So just make sure that you are using the latest version of this app, right? And after updating the app we have to open the app, okay, and we have to go to the chat, and here you can see that how I can do a hop swipe. So basically hop swipe is only possible on iOS and if you're using iPhone, but you can do one more thing, that you want to read the message but you don't want to let the user that you have to read the message, right? So you have to just click and hold, okay, and just go back and click and hold, and you can see the second option, mark as unread. So if you click on the mark as unread, the user will never come to know that you have read the message, right? So this is the very easiest way where you can use to do the hop swipe on Instagram, right? So this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.